B-complex-lysine liquid is a combination of B vitamins used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency due to poor diet, certain illnesses, alcoholism, or during pregnancy. These vitamins are essential for the body and help keep you in good health. B vitamins include thiamine, riboflavin, niacin/niacinamide, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, folic acid, and pantothenic acid. Some brands of B vitamins also contain ingredients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, biotin, or zinc. It's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about the ingredients in your specific brand. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to follow the instructions on the product label or as directed by your healthcare provider. When taking B-complex-lysine liquid, it is important to follow the dosage instructions provided. Typically, it is taken once daily, but it is best to follow the directions on the product packaging. If the liquid contains vitamin C, it should be taken with a full glass of water unless directed otherwise by a doctor. For chewable tablets, it is important to thoroughly chew the tablet before swallowing. If taking extended-release capsules, they should be swallowed whole without crushing or chewing to avoid potential side effects. When using a liquid product, it is recommended to use a medication measuring device and not a household spoon. Some liquid products may need to be shaken before each dose, and for products containing vitamin B12, they may need to be placed under the tongue and held there before swallowing. To ensure the most benefit from B-complex-lysine liquid, it should be taken regularly at the same time each day. If you experience mild upset stomach or flushing when taking B-complex-lysine liquid, don't worry. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the product. However, if these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that if your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. In fact, many people who use this medication do not experience any serious side effects. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's worth mentioning that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, it's important to reach out to your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. In terms of the best time to take B-complex-lysine liquid, it's important to follow your doctor's recommendations. Additionally, the optimal daily dosage will also be determined by your healthcare provider based on your individual needs. Remember to always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new medication. Before taking B-complex-lysine liquid, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies or if you have certain health conditions such as diabetes, liver problems, or vitamin B12 deficiency. If you have phenylketonuria, PKU, or need to restrict your intake of aspartame, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using the chewable tablets or liquid form of this product. The liquid form of this product may contain sugar and/or alcohol, so if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease, it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you are pregnant, it's safe to take this product as directed, as maintaining adequate amounts of folic acid during pregnancy can help prevent certain spinal cord birth defects. However, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. This product also passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before using it while breastfeeding. And before having surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking B-complex-lysine liquid. Certain medications and supplements may interact with this product, affecting how it works or increasing the risk of side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Some products that may interact with B-complex-lysine liquid include certain antibiotics, anti-seizure drugs, and other vitamin/nutritional supplements. Additionally, B-complex-lysine liquid may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false results. It's important to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this product. As for the benefits, B-complex-lysine liquid can help support overall health and well-being. The recommended daily dosage is typically 1 serving per day, and it is best to take it with a meal for optimal absorption. It's important to follow your doctor's recommendations and not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without their approval. If someone takes too much Complex-Lysine Liquid and experiences serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. It's important to take the recommended dosage and always follow the instructions on the packaging to avoid any potential overdose. Remember to keep all your medical and lab appointments. Remember, Complex-Lysine Liquid is not a replacement for a balanced diet. It's important to get your vitamins from healthy food sources like leafy greens, vegetables, meat, fish, poultry, and enriched breads/cereals. This liquid supplement can help support your overall health, but it's not a replacement for a healthy diet. And as always, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. When taking Complex-Lysine Liquid, the recommended daily dosage is, insert dosage. It's best to take this supplement with food to maximize absorption. And for optimal results, consider taking it at, insert optimal timing. If you forget to take Complex-Lysine Liquid on your regular schedule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep this medication out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain, unless instructed to do so. When it expires or is no longer needed, be sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.